What's going on, guys? Cubs Outdoors here, and I'm doing the intro now after I'm done fishing because this morning I tried to charge my GoPro last night and apparently someone unplugged it while it was charging, so I had to charge it while I was on the water. So for like the first hour I didn't get any footage, and so there was no intro, it was just fishing. But so my setup today, I don't have it with me because I'm in my camper right now, but it was a 6'8" medium heavy St.Croix Mojo Bass Rod, like always, with 15-pound Sunline, just a normal fluorocarbon on it, not the FC Sniper fluorocarbon, just normal fluorocarbon, and my 6'4" Lews laser MG reel. And I was throwing a Senko. I started out throwing weightless, and I caught like 1 or 2 weightless, and then I threw a 3/16 ounce weight on because we started fishing deeper. We knew they were out deep, so we went out and started fishing deeper. So I had a 3/16 ounce weight on it, still not that heavy of a weight. And yeah, guys, we caught some fish today, and there was one big one. She was 5'10". I know my GoPro died after it, so after I catch the fish, or after I show you guys the fish catch I had, I'll put in a picture of it, so you guys. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and see you guys. There he is. That's a good one. Yeah. So like a 3-pounder, 4-pounder maybe. Woo-hoo-hoo. A keeper. That's way bigger than the keeper. It's a 3-pounder. God dang. God, this dude's feisty. Oh yeah, that's easily 3. There you go, that's a good one. That's a real good one. He crushed it too. Yeah. Ooh, man, he's fighting. God, I mean, he's really fighting. God.
We'd be fucking killing him right now. We have 6 keepers already.
Man, these little males, I'm telling you.
You're fine. That's why that one out there.
God.
I thought he was a big one.
This one was fighting harder than that 3-pounder I just caught. Felt like he's about to snap my rod.
Hey, keep going.
They're getting it good. No. Jesus, dude, chill. Little guy. It's probably right at 2 pounds. There should be a real big mama sitting in here. There she is.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Oh, Dad, I think this is a good one. No. Oh. Yeah, we need a net. Ooh.
Oh, that's a big one.
You ready? She's not ready yet. Alright, she's coming. Oh, Dad.
That's a big one.
Dad, that might be my new personal best. Dad,
I know.
that's a 6-pounder.
That's a big one.
Oh my God. We got to turn the live well on. Oh my God. Dad. Whew.
That's a big dog.
That's the 6-pounder. Whoa! How do I turn these live wells on? Oh my God. She's still spawning. Look at her tail. Oh my god. Oh, I'm shaking.
Hey!
Oh,
Fuck.
oh my god. She hasn't spawned yet. That's 6. She's heavy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Camera?
Yeah. I got it on GoPro too. Oh my god. She's 6. She's not as long though. I don't know. She might be 5.
Hey. Hey, these are the fish we catch. That fucking hauled.
You got a live well? How do I turn the live well on?
Huh? I come up here all the time.
How do you turn this live well on?
Spot your spot.
Dad, how do I turn the live well on? Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get a weight on.
I got a scale.
I think that might be my personal best.
That's a.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's pretty big.
It's heavy. She's heavy. She hasn't
I
spawned.
got a scale somewhere.
She hasn't spawned yet. Her tail's still bloody and she's still got a huge belly.
She's about 6 pounder. Oh yeah. Yeah.
They're eating.
They're eating. You get a picture of it?
No, I need to get a picture first.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to the lean the family.